Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving 7th problem in exercise 2.1. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solutions. Do check it out. The video link is in the description. It will be helpful for you. Now we can read the question. Here the question is, find the largest number which divides 1230 and 9926, leaving remainder 12 in each case. This is the question. Find the largest number which divides, which means HCF, highest common factor. You should remember this. The largest number which divides, which means highest common factor. We have to find out highest common factor. Here the condition is we should subtract 12 from this and from this number. Why? Because leaving remainder 12 in each case. Each case means this two. Okay. The condition is we should subtract 12 from 1230 and 1926. If you are subtracting 12 from 1230, we will be getting 1218, right? And if you are subtracting 12 from 1926, we will be getting 1914, right? So we have to find out the HCF value of this and this. Okay, we should find out highest common factor of 1218 and 1914. This is the question. Now we can see the solution. For this solution, I have written the given information. What is given in the question? Given numbers are 1230 and 1926, right? And remainder also given, that is 12. And how we can find out required numbers? We should subtract 12 from this and this. Then we will be getting required numbers. So first number is 1280. Second number is 1926 minus 12 becomes 1914, right? So now we are going to find out HCF of this 1218 and 1914, right? HCF of 1218 comma 1914. Now how we can find out HCF? For finding HCF, we'll be using Euclid's division algorithm, right? If you don't know what is Euclid's division algorithm, check out my previous classes. I have discussed about this Euclid's division algorithm. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. Then only you can solve this problem. So in Euclid's division algorithm, it's a common division process. In each step, we'll be using Euclid's division Lemma formula, right? So now we are going to divide 1914 by 1218. Okay. For the solution, I have written Euclid's division Lemma formula, that is A equals BQ plus R, right? So here for dividing 1914 by 1218, what we have to do? 1 into 1218 becomes 1218, right? So I'm taking 1 into 1218 equals 1218. Now I need to subtract, right? Here 14. If you are subtracting 8 from 14, we'll be getting 6, right? 6, and here 0. 10 minus 1, 9, right? Here we'll be having 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 1 minus 1 0. So this is the remainder. Okay, so we have to continue the process until we reach the remainder as 0. That is the concept of Euclid's division algorithm. So I need to continue the division process. Why? Because my remainder is 696, right? So I have to, next step is I have to apply all the values in this formula. So what is A here? 1914. What is B here? 1218. Plus what is Q? Q is 1, right? 1. And remainder is 1000. Remainder is 696. 696, right? So in next step, what I have to do? I have to multiply, I have to divide this by this, right? This divisor becomes dividend, this remainder becomes divisor. That is the concept of algorithm, Euclid's division algorithm. So I need to divide 1218 by 696, right? So 1 into 696, 696. If I multiply 696 by 2, what I will be getting? 2 into 696 equals 696 into 2. 6 into 2, 12. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 1. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So it exceeded, right? Here we have 1218, but here we have 1392. So I should not go for this. So I have to take 1, right? 1 into 696 becomes 696. If I am multiplying, if I am subtracting 6 from 8, I'll be getting 2. Here 11 minus 9, 2. How much will be having here? 1, right? 1, this 11. 11 minus 6, 5. So here I have remainder 522. Divisor 696. So if I am applying all the values over in this formula, what would be the next step? 1218 equals, what is B here? 696 into Q, 1 plus remainder 522, right? In this stage also I have the remainder as 522. I should continue the division process. Why? Because the remainder is 522, not 0, right? Until we reach 0, we need to continue the process. So here in next step, 696 becomes dividend and 522 becomes divisor. 522, 696. 1 into 522, 522. If I am subtracting 2 from 6, I'll be getting 4. 2 from 9, 7, right? And 5 from 6, 1. So here also the remainder is 174. If I am applying the values, the formula would be 696 equals 522 into 1 plus 174, right? So in next step, this will be divisor, right? In next step, I should divide 522 by 174. So 1 into 174 becomes 174. 2 into 174 becomes 174 into 2. 4 into 2, 8. 7 into 2, 14. 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So I can try 3 also. This is 342, 48. So if I am multiplying by 3, I'll be getting 4 into 3, 12. Here 1. 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. Here 2. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So I have gotten 522 for 3, right? So I can take this 3. So 3 into 174 becomes 522. 522 minus 522, 0. So I reached the remainder 0. So this is the HC. In this stage, I can stop the division process. So in this stage, what number we have as the divisor is the HCF. That is the concept, right? I hope you are getting it. In which stage we are getting the remainder as 0. At that stage, what number we have as divisor is called as HCF. So here, what is HCF? 174, right? This is the answer of HCF of 1218 and 1914. So if I am applying the values over here, I'll be getting 174 into 3 plus 0. So the HCF value is HCF of 1218, 1914 equals 174, right? This is the answer of 7th problem in exercise 2.1. This is all about 7th problem in exercise 2.1. Read the question properly. You should be very careful on the question, and after that you can solve the problem easily. If you understand the question, you can solve the problem easily. So you have to carefully read the question. That is the main thing. Okay, this is all about 7th problem. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.